Hello! I'm interested in find out what means you cook for lunch and dinner. I would like to eat more healthy foods. Maybe you could do a cooking video. Hi everyone, I'm Anna and you are watching a channel about Russia. I lost 20 kilo during the 4 months, and in this video I will show you what kind of food do I usually eat for lunch and dinner, and very important, I will cook today with you and I will show you traditional Russian salad and food. Keep watching. And this is, guys, my first cooking video. So I'm going to cook salad and also something for lunch and dinner. I will show you. And guys, if this video will be successful, if you share your love, likes, comments, maybe I can do an second video. Please write me comments. So guys, now it's time to go for shopping because I need to buy some kind of food. I'm not writing it in the phone because I prefer paper. Then I'm staying in supermarkets. Okay, did I buy this? Then I cut what I have already bought. Guys, I think it really helps you to save your money because you will not buy something what you don't need and you will not miss to buy what you really need. Let's go. Not typical weather for Moscow because it's sunny today and it's snowing. It's very, very beautiful. So I'm happy right now that I'm going to walk to buy food and enjoy this beautiful winter. I have a special spot when I buy vegetables. They are from farmers, so they are organic and they are really much more tasty and healthy than in supermarket. Овощи и фрукты means vegetables and fruits. Здравствуйте! So guys, now I'm going to buy some vegetables for making a salad. So I'm buying potato, 5 pieces, 400 grams. Then I will buy carrots and also I will need greens, ukrop. This is Vkusville, and I like to buy products here because most of them are really healthy and organic. For example, guys, I want to buy mayonnaise for my salad. I will not buy a standard one. I will buy, you can see it's right in легкий, light one, 200 rubles means $2, and you can see it's just 30% of fat. I don't have time to cook it by myself, so that's why I bought this one. And also in this section you can see I usually buy some kind of meat like chicken and you can see beef. Now I'm in a supermarket. It's time to buy cucumbers. We in Russia love these kind of things, some marinated vegetables. By the way, if you didn't watch the video how I have visited the supermarket, you can click here how much cost products here, what kind of food we buy, and also next video also highly recommend you how I visited Russian рынок. So I take these cucumbers and so I think will be okay for me. Now buying chicken and let's go home. Okay, so I have eggs. I already boiled it. I will cook salad. Then I have a lot of greens. Then this one beans. Это squid, calamari squid, and white fish. So it's Russian white fish. Cod, да, это cod. Then I have chicken and bread. I have organic mayonnaise, cucumbers, apples, and let's start to cook. So you can see here I will boil the chicken, and here I will boil my vegetables. Now I'm cleaning it, and then I will boil it. First of all, I will clean my chicken. I will wash it, and I will boil it. In the description, guys, of the video, I will share the recipe of all my products which I'm cooking here. Also, maybe I will share here. So guys, this is my chicken. Yeah, we call it filet in Russian. Now I put it for boiling, and I will boil it 30 minutes. In Russia, all of products, no, most of products which we have, there are organic, and for example, my carrots, my chicken, my potato, all of them, they're all organic. And that's why, guys, when we cook at home all this food, we are not getting weight. It's what is important to know. So guys, I can use this one. Also, I have special small knife. So guys, this is the main thing. First, you use organic food, then you cook at home, and you're losing weight, guys. My vegetables ready. It's time to boil all of them. 30 minutes. Too much water. I will move a little bit away. So no need so much. Yeah, it's okay. I don't add much salt, just a little bit. Okay, and this 30 minutes I'm going to cook cod fish. So I will prepare it and I will bake it in my oven. Of course, if you want, you can use a pan for cooking fish, but for today I want to make it maximum healthy and better if you bake something and use zero oil. So I don't use much spices, so I will use pepper and a little bit salt. You know, in Russia we don't love so much spices, so it's enough just using a little bit salt and a little bit pepper. So I bought this fish frozen, so it was frozen. So I was waiting, of course, when this fish became unfrozen. Much water, and you need to make it a little bit dry. So I do like this. Maybe it's not necessary, but I do it. If you want to add a little bit fats, because it's now it has no fats, because you know cod liver has 0 fats. We need to take a little bit oil. It gives us healthy fats. It's very important not only eat protein, but to add fats. I don't use much this one, we call it faiga. You can add a little bit greens. Great. And now we are baking it. And now I must put it on to my oven. We will wait 30 minutes. But anyway, guys, it depends on your oven. And now, guys, I'm going to clean eggs. Now it's time to check a chicken. How you can check? So it should be soft. So you can do like this. Yeah, it's okay. So now I have to wait when chicken became cold, and I will cut it. And guys, now what am I doing? I will, guys, prepare, for example, rice. You can see I use this kind of rice. I don't eat white rice because more healthy is to eat black rice or red one. And this will be my second, it will be fasol, it will be second garnier. And let's boil it. I use 2 glasses of water and 1 glass of rice. Because today we're cooking for lunch and for dinner. For lunch, I highly recommend you to use rice because we need carbohydrates. But for dinner, I recommend to eat low carbohydrates. No, it's how I eat, of course, so you can follow your idea. And for dinner, I will use this. Now it's time to cut eggs. You can see I have so much eggs because we are going to cook right now, guys. We are going to cook Russian salad Olivier. It's traditional Russian salad. We cook it for any kind of celebration. For example, for New Year Eve. But it also became salad for all our holidays. We really love it. But guys, a very interesting fact that originally this salad is not Russian. So, no, because the salad was made by Olivier. Olivier, it was French chef. He, guys, you know, he just did experiment. Because he mixed ingredients which we usually never mix. And finally it became amazing salad. In some countries you can find this salad, people call it insalata russa. For example, I saw this salad in Italy. But it's not what we cook here in Russia. If you want, guys, repeat this salad, you can repeat, and then please come back to this video and write me how it works. What do you think? Is it good? And guys, you know, the secret is like when you cut eggs, if you have beautiful eggs, you can use it for showing. Like, for example, if you put here caviar. But this eggs looks ugly. It's really quite complicated to clean it and to look it like this. So but we will cut it and it's okay. Okay, I will cut cucumbers, eggs, and I think my vegetables is ready. So you can see I already put here my potato. Now I'm waiting when potato will be cold, because now it's hot, it's complicated to cut it, so I'm waiting. And you can see I removed the silver from my fish, and you can see how it looks like. So, and now I will bake it like this and wait. I will wait 10 minutes. And my rice is ready. Now, guys, let's cook the beans. Where is my beans? Ah, this one. This is beans. Let's cook it. But first I need to remove carrot from this. So guys, you can see our fish is ready, looks tasty, and our rice also is ready. Right, so let's check, is it ready? Yeah, guys, so it's ready. Also, guys, if you want, you can add a little bit butter. Let's see my results, and of course my best friend Vadik. Vadik helping me. So guys, you can see I'm cutting right now potato, cucumber, it's salty, marinated, and this is carrots, and you can see result. And soon, guys, it will be Olivier salad. Yeah. So I think, guys, it's enough. You can see I have more ingredients, but if you need, you can of course add more. Our last ingredient is горошек. I will add full 130 grams will be enough. So let's add it all. Oh, guys, it really looks tasty. So about salt and pepper, guys, I usually add salt and pepper in the end of cooking. Believe me, when you start to reduce the salt, so you will not need much. Of course, from first time it will be hard. It will be hard, and of course no need to reduce 100% everything. Of course you can eat, add salt, sugar, something, but not much. Wow, guys, it looks so beautiful, and I really like the carrot here because carrot gives the colorful color. Guys, also, you know what you can do? Like when you finish, so you can see how it looks like, and you see, okay, maybe like I'm looking at it now and thinking, okay, maybe I will add a little bit carrot. So it's everything like by your decision. And then, guys, after that, I will put it in the fridge and wait, as much as you can. No, you can wait 1 hour, or I will wait 1 hour right now because I want to eat it right now. But tomorrow, guys, after 24 hours, it will be the best. Oh, it will be so special. But 1 hour, guys, also is okay, but it will be just a little bit two different tastes. I hope. Okay, do you have time? Okay. And now we need to mix it, everything, and then see the result. So guys, and our last dish, which we are going to cook, it's squid. You can see my squid is ready. So I put it just right now. Yeah. Squid is cooking very fast. I think just 5-10 minutes maximum. So guys, we have squid. It will be, for example, for dinner, or it will be for lunch. Let's say we will eat squid with rice. It will be perfect. And for dinner, guys, you can see this is ready. Fish, cod fish, and стручковая фасоль. So this is, guys, this is our dinner. This is our lunch. So my salad is ready. Last ingredient, I'm adding ukrop. Ukrop, it's some kind of Russian greens, but I'm sure you can also find it in your city. So guys, this is ready. You can see that it's quite a lot. And in the end, guys, in the end of cooking, for making it beautiful, you can see what I do. I take желток, so this is yellow part of my egg, and it looks like this. My dinner is ready. I will show you how it looks like. So let's see. So guys, we have Olivier salad, we have eggs, red fish, caviar, squid, and we have white fish cod, and we have here the rice and beans. So this is, guys, idea for eating. So you can eat it for lunch and for dinner, but because of today's special event, maybe you can guess what event do we celebrate now. So this is how we can have dinner. So dear friends, this is ideas how I eat for lunch, for dinner. I hope you like these ideas, and please write me in comments. Do you want me to cook for you breakfast, so I can cook breakfast, make video and show you, like, let's say top 5 or top 10 ideas for making breakfast? And if you have any kind of questions, please write me in comments, and all recipes from these dishes you can find in the description. And guys, if you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch my other vlogs. For example, you can watch video how I've visited Russian supermarket and Russian open air market, and you will see what kind of products we buy in Russia and how much does it cost. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Пока-пока. From Russia with love. Пока-пока.